Hello everyone, my name is Jagruti Kolle, a final year B Pharmacy student. Today I am going to discuss about the glycoalkaloidal drug Solanum from the pharmacognosy subject. First I would like to give you an overview, definition of glycoalkaloid, drug name, synonyms, biological source, family, geographical source, cultivation and collection, isolation, morphology, chemical constituent, therapeutic uses. What is glycoalkaloid? Glycoalkaloids are the class of nitrogen containing compounds derived from the alkaloid to which sugar group are attached. They are naturally produced and belongs to family Solanaceae. Glycoalkaloids are typically bitter tasting and produce a burning irritation in mouth and side of tongue. Now we will start the detailed pharmacopoeial account of drug Solanum. Drug name Solanum, synonym Indian nightshade and Solcanum khasianum. Biological source, it is obtained from the dried berries of Solanum khasianum, C.B. clarkii, family Solanaceae. Geographical source, it found in the various altitude in India right from coastal region up to 2000 meters. Also found in hilly regions of Assam, Manipur, Sikkim, Nilgiris, central India. Solanum found in the Myanmar and China. Nowadays, it is cultivated on the commercial scale in Maharashtra, regions like Jalgaon and Akola. Cultivation and collection. The propagation is done by seeds. Sowing is done by the nursery beds and by direct broadcasting method. Direct broadcasting method or nursery beds means seeds are sown in the nursery beds. Then seed beds covered with the sand or the farmyard manures and weeding is done periodically. When the seedling shows the sufficient growth, they are transplanted into the open field. The sown period is February. It required a sandy loam and well-drained soil and sunny atmosphere. The temperature required is about 15 degree to 30 degrees Celsius. Rainfall should be well distincted. Humidity about 60 to 85%. Seedling, it is transplanted in moist soil at 50 by 50 cm distance. Fertilizers used are urea, potash and superphosphate. Irrigation is done once in a week and in later stages as per requirement. Harvesting done after the 6 month. Collection, the berries are collected after the harvesting immediately dried at the shade of artificially at low temperature to reduce large content of moisture. Here I share the dried berries picture. Isolation of Solanum. So isolation means we isolate the active constituent of Solanum khasianum, that is solasodine, by the following certain procedure. So let's see the procedure. In a very first step, we make the powder berries of Solanum khasianum. Then remove oil by defatting. Defatting means the process of removing the oil. Then we extract it with the ethanol and it treated with the concentrated HCl and reflux it for the 6 hours. Then we add the ammonia to basify extract and again reflux for 1 hour and then we filter and wash the residue. Now dry and dissolve in the chloroform. Filter the mixture. Then evaporate the solvent and we get the solasodine as active constituent. Now we will see the morphology. Here I made a table in which there are 3 columns, that is morphological characteristics, description, color, texture and dimension. Shrubs. Shrubs are highly branched and tall, about 1 to 1.5 meters. Leaves are straight, ovate, lobed trickles on the both surfaces, about 12 mm in dimension. Prickles means the small sharp pointed growth on the epidermis of the leaf. Flowers are white colored in 1 to 4 flowered racemes in lateral, about 2 to 3 cm. Berries are yellowish to greenish in color and they are globular. Globular means the spherical and dimension is about 2.5 cm. Seeds are compressed smooth brown in color and they are about 5 mm in dimension. In this slide I have shared a picture. Here you can see that there are small sharp pointed pickles on the surface of the leaves. Here you can see that the yellowish to greenish berries and white flower. This image I have taken from the CK Kokate brook. Now chemical constituent. First is solasodine. It is the 3% of steroidal glycoalkaloid in berries. Here I share the structure of the solasodine. Solosonine undergoes hydrolysis to yield solasodine and sugar galactose, mannose and glucose. Here I share the hydrolysis reaction. Greenish to yellow fixed oil about 8 to 10% and alkaloid. Therapeutic uses. It is used as a precursor for steroidal synthesis, first converted to 16-dehydrated pregnenolone acetate, responsible for formation of steroid like corticosteroid, pregnane, androstenone and 19-NOR steroid. NOR steroid means non-testosterone, useful as a sex hormone and oral contraceptives, etc. Allied species of solanum. Allied species means drugs which has the small concentration difference from the standard drug. So these are the allied species: Solanum illanthium folium, Solanum indicanum, Solanum indicum, Solanum surtensi, Solanum c. Solanum mammosum, Solanum trilobatum. I have shared the images of allied species also. So this is the Solanum illanthifollium. This is Solanum indicanum, also called as thorn apple. This is a Solanum indicum, also called as bruhati or poison berry. This is Solanum surtansi. This is Solanum c. forthianum. This is Solanum mammosum. References. The references are the CK Kokate, the Book of Pharmacognosy, Nirali Prakashan, 56th edition, page number 243 to 244. Biren Shah and Avinash Sheth, the Textbook of Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry, Elsevier Publications, 2nd edition, page number 272. These are the links from where I get the information about the Solanum khasianum, and I have taken the images. I hope you understand. Thank you.